Good morning, everyone. I am getting my hair done today, so I'm getting ready to leave here in a second. I just want to make some coffee and then I have to head out the door. My hair appointment is about 25 minutes away, so I thought I was gonna have more time. My whole plan was to stop at Starbucks before and get coffee for both me and Maddie, the girl that does my hair, and then get like a little something to eat, but that didn't happen. I'm running late as usual, so I'm gonna make my coffee and then head on out, and I'll let you guys know in just a second what I'm planning to do to my hair. This lighting is horrible. Let's see if this will help. I probably won't have time to film right before I go in, just because my GPS says that I'm gonna get there like 2 minutes after 9 and my appointment is at 9. I absolutely hate being a few minutes late. Sorry that the lighting is horrible. I haven't had my hair done in over 6 months, so it's going to probably take a while to do. It is so light, it literally looks like I'm wearing a wig because it's so beautiful. And she cut a pretty good amount off, but it still just looks so long and it feels so soft and healthy. Like, I swear every time I leave getting my hair done with her, it feels healthier. Even though she put bleach on it and everything like that, it just feels so much healthier. She just put like a bunch of highlights everywhere and bumped the base a little bit, so that lightened up the dark quite a bit. And the picture that I showed her is pretty light. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you could see kind of the vision of what I'm wanting to go for. Sorry, I'm like driving and I don't have a car mount for my new camera. I need to order one. So I'm gonna go back in 4 weeks, a little bit over 4 weeks, and then she's basically just gonna, I think, do the same thing and then just put a few more lighter pieces. I did get a good hair mask because I really need to work on getting my hair healthy to prepare it to get bleached again in a month. So I got this one from AVEDA. It's the Botanical Repair Treatment Mask. So I'm going to be using that for the next few weeks to get it as healthy as possible, since we're going to be putting more bleach on it. If you guys are in the Albuquerque area, or if you're, you know, traveling this way or whatever, and you want to get your hair done with Maddie, I will leave her information down in the description box. And I've been going to her for 3 years, over 3 years now. In fact, we were just like freaking out because I was showing her pictures of when I like first came to her, and the first time she ever did my hair. It looks so different. It's grown so much. My hair is so healthy. Sorry, I'm probably being annoying right now, like bragging about my hair, but honestly, it just depends on who you go to, and do your research before, you know, going to just anybody, because I've been through a lot with my hair, and there was one point where my hair literally looked like a mullet and was so dead and dry, and it's came a long way. And patience is key, because it took a long time to get to this point, and I never thought that I would have long hair. So I'm just excited and so grateful that I found Maddie. But anyway, I'm gonna concentrate on driving right now so I don't wreck. is now Thursday and I'm just eating breakfast and working. I made my coffee, and if you guys saw in the clip before this, you saw that I have the Funfetti coffee creamer. I swear, we've been going crazy with coffee creamers, like trying all the new ones that are coming out. So we have like 5 different coffee creamers in our fridge right now. It's a little ridiculous, but they all taste really good. And I use a lot of coffee creamer, so probably not the healthiest of how much coffee creamer I use, but it's okay. So yeah, today is just working day, and then I'm gonna go pick up Beckham, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Yesterday I really wanted to take him to this place. It's called Osuna Nursery, and they have the most beautiful plants everywhere, and it's just a nice place to like go and walk around and be outside and just be out in nature. And we've been wanting to get more plants for our backyard and everything now that it's warming up. So I wanted to do that yesterday, but we didn't get a chance because we ended up going to Trader Joe's instead. So today that is my goal. I don't know if that will actually happen, but we'll see. And yeah, today is April Fool's. I like to prank AJ all year round. Like, I prank him all the time and he always believes me. So I think today he's like expecting it, but I already got him this morning. So yeah, if you guys pulled any pranks on anyone since today is April Fool's, comment them down below and share them, because I would love to hear what you guys did. I love hearing jokes and pranks and stuff. I just think it's so fun. And it's so funny because my one of my friends is actually borrowing Phoebe to pull a prank on her husband. So it's gonna be really funny. And yeah, I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast, continue working. If you can hear my dogs snarling over here, it's because they're like pigs. See what I mean? I can never record. I swear, they're like dead silent, and the second I start recording, they start growling and snorting and slobbering and licking themselves, and they just hate me. So I wanted to share a little trick with you guys, something that I do, and this isn't like mind-blowing or life-changing or anything like that, but I just thought it would be a good idea for some people. So I love hot coffee, but with working and just life, my coffee gets cold really quickly. So then I hate when my coffee is like room temperature, when it's not like iced coffee, but when it's just room temp, you know what I mean? So what I do is I start off drinking my coffee warm, hot, and this is usually about how much I drink, because I don't like to chug my coffee. I like to drink it pretty slow. So I'll start off drinking it hot, and then when it's room temp and it tastes gross, instead of like dumping it down the sink, or instead of reheating it in the microwave 1,000 times, then I just will add ice. Okay, let me see if my ice machine is even working. So I'll add ice, and then I'll just put it in like a different cup. So I'll add a little bit of ice, and then I just pour it in here, and then bam, I have iced coffee now. So instead of, you know, reheating it and whatever, that way I don't waste my coffee, I just add ice, and now it's like a nice little refreshing iced coffee. But I don't really love adding ice to my coffee as soon as I make it, because then it just melts right away and then it just tastes like watery coffee. So fun trick. I got these flowers at Trader Joe's yesterday and I just think that they are so cute. They honestly look like they would be like little fruit or little berries, but they are just so cute. I love the pink color. And then I also got a bunch of chamomile. It comes in a huge bundle and I think it was only like $2 or $3, and I just put them in little mason jars like all over the house. I put them in the bathroom, here at our little coffee station. I just really love having fresh flowers in the house. It just makes, oh my God, do you guys see that? She literally jumped from the top of there. Holy cow, okay. That was scary. Another thing that I have been really loving is this Myers cleaning spray, and this is in the scent Peony, and it honestly smells like fresh flowers. I cleaned my whole entire kitchen and bathroom with it, and it smells so good. Huh, Sawyer? Huh, crazy girl? I saw you jump. I saw you jump from there, you crazy girl. You need to be careful. You are crazy. You're so beautiful too. Look how gorgeous you are. This is what my lunch looks like. I made a sandwich with turkey. I put avocado, pepper, arugula, microgreens, mayo, more pepper, and then I got these chips yesterday at Trader Joe's. They are organic elote corn chip dippers, so we'll see how this tastes. This is what I'm going to be juicing. So I'm making celery juice, but I add apple to make it a little bit sweet. And then I have the ginger turmeric that I found from Sprouts. So I'm planning to make 2 mason jars full, so hopefully it makes enough, because it always looks like there's a lot, but then once you juice it, there's like hardly any. Oh, okay. This is not my favorite. The ginger is pretty strong. Try it. Yeah, the ginger is really strong, huh?
That's like spicy.
Yeah, the ginger was really strong.
Baby.
That's not my favorite.
It's not bad.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. The ginger and the turmeric was really strong. I think I put too much of it. When I did the carrot apple juice last time, I just put a little bit. It was like the perfect amount. And yeah, it tastes really, really strong. I mean, I'm still gonna drink it. It tastes like one of those immunity shots. You know how it has like cayenne pepper and all the like spicy stuff, but it's really good for you. That's what this tastes like. So I'm sure it's good for you and your immune system. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Bye, loves.